What's going on, everybody? Evan here, and it's another awesome day. I'm so excited. I feel so blessed today. I want to talk about MLM, okay? Because I get a lot of people asking me questions about is affiliate marketing has something to do with MLM. Well, most people right now they are kind of like just uh, making affiliate marketing look like MLM, but MLM is very, very different. Do you understand? What most people are doing those days is MLM. They are telling you you don't have to lift a finger, everything is done for you, all those kind of thing. I know how great it sounds when someone offers you a done for you stuff, but let me tell you one thing. Okay, let me tell you one thing. MLM is very, very good for start. If you are starting a business, if you are starting to make money online, MLM is very, very nice. All right, I made about 45 grand with one MLM company, but I don't recommend MLM. You understand? I don't recommend MLM because it's going to make you kind of like have more. You're not going to grow the way you want. You understand? Even T. Harv Eker, the author of Secret of Millionaires Mind, says that whenever you want to start a business and you don't have any business idea and you don't have any product to sell yet, go and leverage MLM to get started. But once you understand how business works, you have to leave MLM, and that's exactly what I want you to understand right now. High ticket affiliate marketing is a high income skills, all right? It's a high income skills, and whenever you see yourself master the psychologies and everything behind high ticket affiliate marketing, you will never lack money in your life because you can come from nothing in anywhere you find yourself and make money from there once you see something that you can sell. All right, so I know like most people right now are promoting MLM, gets paid $300 directly straight to your bank account, $100 directly to your bank account, all those bullshit. It's nice, but I don't recommend you to do that. You understand? Master the skills, and the MLM is just like a kind of like a company one person creates, and you are kind of like, I don't want you to kind of depend on what one person creates. Instead, just trying to create your own stuff yourself, and then yeah, grow with it. Do you understand? MLM. I know most people are kind of like looking for ways to make passive income, but remember what I always tell people: anything passive comes and go. You understand? So what you need is active income, and what can only give you active income is the skills that you have. So I know how sweet it sounds to get everything done for you, but sometimes if you really want to make money, if you really want to kind of like grow as a person, challenge yourself to create something for yourself, then yeah, I'm just kind of like recording this video because people do ask me some questions regarding MLM. Does it have something to do with affiliate marketing? So no, MLM is different language, and affiliate marketing is a different language of its own. And yeah, affiliate marketing also has different levels, and it's high ticket affiliate marketing. So, and then what I teach and what I do is high ticket affiliate marketing. So if you want to make $500 to $2,000 per day, or in just one sale, I have to check out my webinar, because today I'm going to do a live webinar today. And also any day that you're seeing this video, make sure that you check out my next webinar anytime that's going to be, and I will take you step by step and show exactly how to build at least $100,000 per year high ticket affiliate marketing business. And yeah, MLM is very, very different from affiliate marketing. If you want to just kind of like start making money online, which because sometimes I don't recommend MLM because their products are craps. It doesn't have any value. The only thing that can make people to join MLM is just how easy it seems about a commission. Bring this person, the other person will bring the other person, you will get downline, all those sheets. Yeah, MLM is great. I made my first 45 grand with MLM, and I don't recommend it. You understand? It's just selling craps. You understand what I'm saying? And yeah, you need to build a business. That is when I left it, and yeah, it changed my life. You understand? So the key is mastering high income skills, and affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing is one of them. I know there are a lot of gurus claiming that they know everything about affiliate marketing because they made $500, they become coach and all those kind of things. Good for them. You understand? Good. We are in this world to find our voice and inspire others to do the same. But just if you want to take advice regarding anything, just make sure that you take advice from someone who have already done exactly what you want. You understand? I'm not the best, but I'm better than most people. Do you understand? So, and I'm always trying to be the best version of me, and I still trying to change the world in my own little way. And yeah, so affiliate marketing is very, very great. Affiliate marketing is great. Affiliate marketing changed my life, and all you need is just one product Yeah, all you need is just one product. One product can literally change your entire life as a affiliate marketer. So that's just it. You understand? If you have never checked out our webinar, you can check the link below this video, or you can register for the upcoming webinar. Or yeah, it's free, and I'm very sure that you will not regret being part of this webinar, because it's going to change your life if you can take action and do exactly what's needed from you. And yeah, I'm going to give away so much knowledge, but just like what I always tell people, knowledge is power, but only when it's applied. When it's only when you use the knowledge that you have, that's when it will become power. And the only power is money. Do you understand? Someone who have money has the power. So, and their knowledge gives money. And yeah, that's just it. So yeah, I don't recommend MLM. You understand? I know that a lot of it these days, people are promoting it, doing presentation on Facebook Lives, all those kind of things, but I don't recommend those things. You understand? The key to making money online is being very specific. I know some YouTube channels, some gurus who will tell you about cryptocurrency today. They will tell you affiliate marketing. They will tell you dropshipping. They will tell you different kind of opportunity. Anytime that I started talking about all those things, don't listen to me, because I'm making you feel overwhelmed. I'm just kind of like filling your head with a lot of garbage, unnecessary informations that is not going to help you. So if you want to do affiliate marketing, make sure that you want to focus on understanding the topic of affiliate marketing. You understand? The goal of starting an affiliate marketing business is just to use it to earn some money, and then start your own business, or create business around affiliate marketing. You understand? That's the only thing that you need to understand when it comes in affiliate marketing, and that's the best way that you can do it. That's the best way you can use to approach affiliate marketing to make it very successful for yourself. You understand? Don't be like those people who will promote this one today, promote the other one today, promote the other one today. It's going to kind of like make you mix your audience. Do you understand? You are serving people in health niche, you are serving people in make money online niche, you are serving people in gaming niche, all those kind of things. You are not building a business. Do you understand? And the goal is to build a business. Don't follow all these YouTube gurus who will be talking about this one today and the other one tomorrow. If you just look at their lifestyle, if you just look at their channel, you will know that they don't have anything solid. Do you understand? Do you understand? They are not expert in anywhere yet. They are not great at anything. And the goal is for you to become great at something. If you look at any successful person, any millionaire, do you understand? If you study any millionaire or billionaire, they have something in common. They are good at one thing. You understand? They are very good at one thing. So whenever someone trying to kind of like divide your mind in different channels, don't try to buy into those ideas. Do you understand? I am for affiliate marketing. I teach affiliate marketing. Do you understand? I teach affiliate marketing, and I do affiliate marketing straight for 1 year. Do you understand? And I have done it. I have been into this game for over about 2 years right now. So, and affiliate marketing changed my life. If you don't know, I always say it. I was once a homeless boy. Do you understand? When I mean homeless, I don't own anything. I sleep anywhere I find myself. But I don't want to just talk much about that this time. But yeah, affiliate marketing changed my life. I started with nothing but a smartphone. So that is why I see a lot of people, when they start talking about I don't have computer, I can't do affiliate marketing, I'll just remind them that I also started with a smartphone, and you don't need a lot of things to start to make money with affiliate marketing. Do you understand? All you need to be highly successful with affiliate marketing business is just understand the skills. Do you understand? Learn sales and marketing, and you don't need phone to learn sales, and you don't need computer to learn sales and marketing. Do you understand? All you need, just read some books. Do you understand? I highly recommend The Way of the Wolf if you want to understand. That's the simplest sales book that I've ever read. It's very simple, straight to the point. Way of the Wolf by Jordan Belfort, The Wolf of the Wall Street. I highly recommend you to read the book. And when it comes to marketing, there are many books on marketing. You understand? There are many books on marketing, but I highly recommend the 80-20 Sales and Marketing book by Perry Marshall. It's a very great book. It talks about the principles of 80-20 rules. And yeah, it will help you get started. Another one you can read is I'll read Traffic Secret by Russell Brunson. All those ones are very great book, and I'm very sure that it can help you get results in anything that you're doing. And yeah, you understand different types of traffic and how to get them. You understand? And yeah, that's just it. And with affiliate marketing also, you don't need a website, you don't need all those things that these gurus are telling you to do. And last but not the least, I'm gonna be brutally upfront where I'm gonna be brutally honest with you. Affiliate marketing is not easy. Do you understand? If someone tell you that affiliate marketing is very easy, it's very simple, that person just want to sell you something. Do you understand? And yeah, the fact is that nothing is easy. But anytime that you made up your mind to do something, you can do it. Do you understand? There was once a time you can't drive a car, you can't go to the bathroom yourself, but sometimes you just decided, I'm going to start learning this. So it's because you see value, you see how important it's going to be, how sense your life is going to make if you can learn all those things. So the same way you can use to master affiliate marketing skills. And then yeah, believe me, if you can do this, it's going to change your life. I'm very sure. If you can put your mind into it, just put your heart into the game, like as if you open your chest, it's going to change your life. You understand? So if someone told me that in less than 12 months I'll be traveling the world and living my best life, living here in a beautiful Dubai, just because I started affiliate marketing, which I started when I was homeless. Well, I wouldn't have believed it, but yes, I'm living the dream, and I'm very sure that anyone can do it if you can put your mind into it. You understand? But just make sure that you focus on one thing and try to become good at one thing. You understand? That's just the key. Okay, that's just the key. So, and yeah, I talk about my free webinar. If you have time, just attend the webinar. I'm very sure that you'll find it very helpful, and it's going to kind of like help you understand how affiliate marketing works, so that you will know how to make it work, not all these things that gurus are telling you, all those things they are talking about. Do you understand? So yeah, just make up your mind and give it a try. You understand? Affiliate marketing is not the only business model, but this is the one that I believe that if you can master it, you can create any other businesses. Do you understand? I have my own digital marketing company. I have a clothing brand, and yeah, I do coaching businesses. And it all started with learning and mastering high-ticket affiliate marketing skills. And yeah, anyone can do it, regardless of your experience and anything. So yeah, and all you have to do is just like what I said. Make sure that you put your mind into the game, like as if you open your chest. Do you understand? Give it all. To make $10,000 per month as a high-ticket affiliate marketer, all you need is 2 to 4 hours per day. Do you understand? It's not about spending the whole day and doing all those things. Just make sure that you are working on a very specific thing. Do you understand? For 2 to 4 hours per day, and believe me, you can make 10 grand per month if you can do this. Do you understand? Yeah, I think that's all I have for you today, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, and if you want to learn affiliate marketing, I'll be the best person to teach you this, because it changed my life. And yeah, it can do the same thing for you. And don't forget, all you need is just one product to change your story. So I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.